gargling unvoiced, going into voiced. Now gargling, going into the vowel U. Now going into the vowel O. Now, O. Now the vowel A. This is good breath training. A vowel. Now the E vowel. Now the E vowel with a little bit more water. Now for French and German, the Ü vowel. Depending how more Ü or Ü, you will need more water for the wider opening. Now the Ö vowel. Now the consonants. The W. W. wo, 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 wa, re, re. I just added the vowels. Now the L with all the consonants. First, just the consonant and then the vowels. Two of the more difficult vowels, consonants, are the M and the N. Mo, mo, mo. Mo, 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 ma, me, me. And the N. Be careful when you do that. You will get a mist of water in your nose. And I actually use that sometimes as a nose opener, like my neti pot from the inside. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. Mo. If I use all the consonants, I have to be careful not to spit out the water with some like a the. I couldn't do because of the tongue being outside. I've tried it. It gets a little bit messy. But overall, all consonants are possible, and that sounds, in my inner hearing, like Donald Duck, and the outside too. Or even Chewbacca, some students have said. So I'm just gonna use Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the stars so bright, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so far, all bright, like a diamond in the sky.